Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to connect of course your external hard drive. Now of course this is a Western Digital and I think this is a 2 terabyte hard drive. It doesn't really matter the capacity, and if you want to connect it to your Mac, especially to back up your files, I'm going to show you how to do that. Quick note that the devices such as this, that they only have two USB ports. So of course, if it doesn't have a USB port, which is your Mac, could be a MacBook Pro, could be a MacBook Air, or of course any of the versions, whether the M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, or any other future updates, the procedure will be the same. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this on your Mac. Now the first thing you'll notice is that you have the USB interface, and it cannot interface with the Air that we have here, which is the MacBook Air. So you're going to need a dongle such as this right here, which converts the USB to of course type C. All right, so this one came with my phone. Our old phone, you can find them normally hanging if you have like old devices such as Samsung Galaxies of the past used to include this little dongle. You can pick them up online. They're very useful, and I'm sure you'll find uses for it, especially with your modern gadgets. So go ahead and I'll put a link to this in case you do not have one below. Otherwise, you can actually check it out yourselves. All right. So go ahead. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hook it up. So notice now that it turns this section right here into an interface that the Mac can use. All right. Now I've never tried this before, but I'm sure it will work. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and hook this up. So I'm going to place the drive to the side right here, and I'm going to place it into our free port. And I'm going to show you a secondary way as well. You can actually do this. All right. So we have placed the drive for the first time. Here's the hard drive. I'm going to rest it right here. All right, so it's right here, and notice it says allow access to connect. Do you want to connect Western Digital element? And it gives the number to this Mac. All right, I'm going to hit allow. All right, another device that will help you out is this one of these. This is recommended over the adapter which I use now. The adapter is simpler and more direct. However, this will solve all of your problems. It will take one USB type C. It will give you a USB type C and give you up to four of these ports. And now these ports that you're seeing here, these are USB 3.0 ports. All right, so what's going to happen here is that especially for the drive like this, these are very fast ports, the 3.0 ports. All right, so you don't necessarily have to use this. So I'll hook it up, then I'll connect the hard drive right here, and then it would work. All right, but I'm just going to demonstrate showing using the drive that I have over there. All right, so now you see this says elements, and of course that appears right there. We're going to go ahead and click, and of course once I click, all of my documents are here. You can see them displayed. All right guys, you can also see here, if we can most likely go to Finder, and we'll find it. So we can also find it in Finder. So if you look right here, you'll see elements, and if you go ahead, we can click on it again and we'll find the files. All right, so to eject, you can actually use Finder and select eject, or you can write in Finder towards the tab over here that was displayed earlier. You can click on the eject symbol right beside the drive, which is a arrow pointing up, and of course the easier way is to find the desktop icon, to right click, and notice it says eject elements, so I can eject the hard drive. All right, so once I eject the hard drive, it will be disconnected and it will be safe to disconnect it. All right, so that's how to connect up your drive. I don't have to show you with that dongle. Both of them were the same, and that's how you hook it up to your device. I can back up files. I can do a number of stuff on my device. All right, so I hope this was helpful, and that's how you connect your Western Digital hard drive to your MacBook. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.